Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So today is a big day for the dollar pairs. Not only do we have CPI inflation data coming out today, which I will be live streaming for in a Zoom meeting for my premium members. If anybody's interested in joining my membership, then the website is right here. But we also have interest rate FOMC news coming out later on today, which I will be live streaming on YouTube for at 6:30 UK time, GMT plus 1, or 1:30 in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time, New York time. So definitely make sure you stop in for my YouTube live stream either way. So I do think that we are still in a wave 1, a wave 2, and I still think this is a wave 3, and I still think the most likely place for a wave 3 to go is the 161.8 Fibonacci extension. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as all a correction, and I still think there's a very good likelihood that it is going to end the correction, probably make its way up to at least a 61.8 Fibonacci level. I think this is all a wave 1, I think this is all a wave 2, and I think this is all just subdivisions of a wave 3. Maybe this is a wave 4 of 3 that needs to go up for a wave 5 of wave 3. So, heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the dollar has definitely been making, the gold, has definitely been making a little bit of an odd pattern these last few weeks. To me, it still looks like 5 ways down, like it should be an A. It still looks like this should be a B. This could actually end up stretching out into like a 1, 2, 3, all the way down to where I have this highlighted area, and that would be a perfectly normal looking pattern for a wave C. But I'm still not really convinced of that. I still wouldn't be surprised at all if it just went down, maybe grabbed all the liquidity at these lows and then reversed back up. I still think that we're in a wave 3. Wave 3 is supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves of a trend. And if we are in a wave 3 on the weekly, monthly, this thing is actually likely to not even go down this far. It's more likely to just grab liquidity and just take off to the upside. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm still looking at this move up as possibly a correction to this move down. Possibly it might even be a 1 of 3 and a 2 of 3, which is a 3 of C like I was showing on the daily. But either way, whether it is or not, I'm still looking at this as possibly a correction, maybe going out to the 38 or the 50%. I think it's going to make a move down, probably at the CPI news. Now, if it makes a move down and then reverses up later on and breaks structure, I would definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. On the other hand, if it just makes a move down and just keeps on going down, then I would just hold on to my shorts and possibly even look for more shorts at the end of pullbacks. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I do think that there's a pretty good chance this is going to drift up at least to the 38%. Then, if the CPI news causes a big impulsive move down, that would make for a very good sorting opportunity. Which, like I said, I will be live streaming for my premium members at the time of the CPI news. Website is right here if you're interested in joining. Then later on today at the interest rate news, if this goes up, breaks structure to the upside, then I would definitely get out of my shorts, potentially even go long for the continuation of the uptrend. If it doesn't reverse back up like that and just keeps on trending down, then I would just keep on holding on to my shorts and potentially continue to look for shorts because, like I was showing on the daily, this could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2, and it literally could just keep on going down for a wave 3 of wave C on the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live trading sessions and all my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.